Hi guys, Newbury Biker. Just coming to you today with a short video on cleaning some spokes on my bike with some products that I have available at home because of the coronavirus. We're just using what we've got. What we've got is a microfiber cloth. It's been used, this one, but it's clean, it's been washed, and that's what we're going to use to apply the brasso to the spokes. And here we have a nice new one which we're going to use to buff them off when we're done. And here's the brasso. Just give it a good old shake. It's been on the shelf for a long time, so that's fine. So if you wanna learn how to clean some spokes, because not all of us have cleaned spokes, there are people out there who've never done these jobs. So if you want to learn how to clean some spokes with the Newbury Biker, stick around. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Newbury Biker back. We're just going to put on some brasso on our spokes on the front wheel of my little bike. So as you can see, I've done a closer shot and rearranged the camera. But we'll just apply the brasso to the spokes like so. Okay. And just rub it in, and it'll set on the spokes in like a cloudy grey colour. Just work our way around the wheel, and I've started the position on the bike rim here, which has the markings of the size of the wheel on, so I know where I've started. Just work our way around. We're using trusty cracket, or the kids stool actually, with an old kiddie's playset. Very comfortable. You've got to have the right equipment. Do it in comfort. Just carry on around the wheel, and we're just working on the spokes. This come to this side of the hub, so we're not. There's two sets. The spokes all come from the rim to the hub on this side, and from the rim to the other side of the hub, if you can see over there. So just to sort of give ourselves something to sort of work with, so we make sure we don't miss any. We'll just do the spokes that come to the right hand side of the front upside down forks on my bike. Work our way around like so. I won't put you through watching every spoke being done, but I'll do a section anyway. I'll do one side. I think we could probably do one side, so we just apply the brasso like so, giving it a good rub and getting it in to all the nuts and crannies. And don't forget the adjusting part of the spoke at the rim, which is I believe it's called the nipple, but don't quote me on that. I'm sure it is, but don't quote me on that. So we're just applying the brasso all the way around. I'll just quickly do the ones that are probably just out. Oh no, they're still inside the shot. I thought you might not be able to see these, but we can get in and apply it all. Hopefully the audio is okay for you guys. So we've all the way around, and the front wheel's always the easiest to do. Has the least amount of rubbish on it collected from the road and the chain. It's all on the back wheel mainly. So you'll find the front wheel is always a pleasing place to start, as you can see progress, and most of it will come off fairly easily without too much trouble. So we'll just put the lid back on the brasso. Put that out the way. And we'll just start back at the front again. And we'll give it a good rub with this, the dirty cloth as such. Give it a good rub in. Bit of elbow grease required sometimes. So we've applied sheen all the way along, and then we'll rub it in. See if we can loosen any bits of grime, and hopefully they shouldn't have rust on your spokes if you maintain them frequently enough. Different ball game if you've got rust on your spokes. You'll have to get at it with something a bit more manly. But this, you know, if you start early enough and keep on top of it, you shouldn't have any issues. When we come to the rear wheel, you might have to use some sort of stubborn grease or remover. A bit of WD-40 would probably release the grease and grime from the chain, and then followed up with a bit of brasso. And there are other products, like you could resort to fine wire wool if you've got any stubborn tar or grease deposits from your chain on the rear spokes of the rear wheel. But I don't think we need to go there on this one, on this video. Just something to give you an idea. So we work our way all the way around like so. If you do this often enough, you should never get too unmanageable out of a situation where you need to go at it with a harder product. Right, okay, so we'll give that a good old rub, and now we'll come in with a clean cloth and we'll buff it up. So we'll get buffing. You can put the cloth through, of course, and use it like so, which would get you a nice buff. I prefer to go along the spoke personally, and just maybe buff in the hard areas where you can't get in. Use the cloth differently. So just whiz round them all like so. And I do just run round the rim and go to the centre like that with a cloth, because my rims aren't too dirty, they're pretty good. Just polish them up a little. Quickly work our way around, guys. But it's with the coronavirus being around at the moment, it's difficult to keep yourself busy regarding bits of jobs and things on the bike. There's always something to do, but it's much more pleasurable riding the bike than cleaning it, if I'm honest. But it seems we're not riding the bike much and just doing it, just maybe having an odd visit to the farm shop or something for some meat and bits and bobs, either for us or for my wife's parents. We're doing a bit of shopping for them because they're older than us and they're not getting out much and don't want to go out, I suppose. Protecting themselves, protect yourself, and the NHS, they don't want to be end up in hospital. They don't want you there, you don't want to be there. I'm sure. So just work our way around the spokes. I think that's maybe we're in a position to sort of give you a look look at those spokes. Okay, so we'll just do a close-up shot for you so you can see. So what we'll do, fellas, is just give you a quick look at the spokes that I've shined up closer in, and you'll see right up from the hub through to the rim on this side of the wheel, which is the side away from the disc. You'll see that they're all nice and shined up and looking pretty good. Okay, so we've just done these ones. We haven't done the far side, and we haven't cleaned the hub yet, as you can see. Okay, so I'll just give you a good look. If you've never cleaned spokes, whether it be on a motorbike or a pedal bike before, it's not the sort of thing many people think about cleaning, to be honest. They normally overlook them. So all you need is some metal polish. Typically what I have is Brasso. You can get other chrome cleaners, but that's what I have. A couple of microfiber cloths, one for applying and rubbing in and working the Brasso into the surface of the spoke, and one for buffing it all off to get that nice 100% finish shine when you're done. So if you're new to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you'd like my videos. Hopefully you can learn something from them. Anything you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop me a line on the channel and ask me to cover something. If I can, I will, if I've got the various products or cleaning equipment or tools to hand, because of course you can't go out and buy them at the moment much with the coronavirus being around. But subscribing and liking my videos really does go a long way to helping me and my channel become more popular, raise the profile of the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. So whatever you're doing out there, guys, sat at home or watching the TV or whatever, be safe, stay at home, protect the NHS, and we can get through this coronavirus and get ourselves back out on the road doing a bit of vlogging. Okay, Newbury Biker signing off.